Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you this product from Daiso that you can use to put on top of your dish. So when you put on in your microwave your dish, it doesn't explode, like the food doesn't splash over in the microwave. So basically it comes with 22 centimeter dimension here that you put on top, and then it's safe to put in the microwave. Before that you need to wash it. You can also use as opener, so it's gonna have a good grip, and also as anti-slip sheet here. So this is only $1.50 at your local Daiso here, and you can like cover your bowl here so it doesn't splash over when you're heating in a microwave. It also comes with a smaller version if you have let's see, this one that you can put on top of your soup. A 15.5 centimeter silicone skimmer drop. What you do is you place on top of this, so it just stays here like that. And then another thing for your microwave is this product, so it can heat up to 130 degrees Celsius. Just put on top of your bowl, make sure it matches the size here, 18 centimeter, and you just press on it so it doesn't splash on your microwave. You can use to heat your foods at work or at home safely. I wish they have like a bigger for plates instead of round like this. And then you can also have this, but this is more stiff here. You can heat your rice like this. So all $1.50 in your cup here, so it doesn't explode. This is smaller version, and that's the smaller version of this one, right? It's a 10 for like smaller bowls, 12 centimeter diameter. Yeah, so it's only $1.50, and you can heat your food without splashing, so it's great. And I was hoping like for bigger than this silicone wrap, so it's safe to heat in microwave. Yeah, so if you guys like this video, please give a thumbs up for me to make more videos for you guys in the future. Thank you guys. I want to show you this is a temperature that you put in your boiled egg, so boiling water egg, to see if your egg is soft, medium or hard. So it's gonna have an indicator status here once you put in your boiling water. This is from Daiso. So soft, you can see the the yellow, still not hard, and the medium, the middle is still soft, and then hard, everything is hard. So this is a good so how to use it: put the eggs and timer in the pot and let the water to cover both of them before lighting a fire. Eggs are done when the timer changes to your preferred color. This is a pretty cool one to have when you're making eggs, so you don't have to worry how many time is it like 5 minutes, is it 3 minutes, is it 1 minute? Yeah. Hey guys, guess what this is? This is actually a silicone oven grip mitt. It's a pick, so for your oven, so you don't get burned, you grab the rack and pull it, right? And this is pretty cute, right, in Daiso. And another one here, you have monkey, so you just grab the oven here like this. It's pretty cool. Alright, okay guys, today I'm gonna show you what we bought from Daiso. Each item is $1.50 unless it's not $1.50. So this is squeeze bottle I bought. So it's help us to put like mayonnaise, ketchup in it. It's pretty cool. But what's cooler than this is watch this one. This one is cooler because it has 3. So it's pretty good if you in a restaurant or like, you know, wanna have faster. You just have three nozzles here that you know, it comes out three at the same time here. It's pretty cool. You can make a grid out of this. Pretty cool. So you can squeeze it like this, ketchup, and you know, doing restaurant, you might need that. Okay. And what we bought is this one. This one, I'm gonna show you. This is the pig one. So for example, if you know it's hot, you just pull it like this. How cute this is, right? It's from Japan. That's pretty cool. I like this. It's gonna help me make more, bake more. And then we have the other one is, I bought two. So this one is a monkey. Wow, 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 wow. Okay. And then bought this one. So this one is microwave plastic cover, silicone wrap. So it's okay to put in a refrigerator and to heat in microwave oven. So you just cover the bowl or the dish. Make sure it covers well. If it's too big, then you might not be able to use it. And this also you can use to open the cover here, and also act as an anti-grip so it doesn't slip. Cool. Okay. So got this strainer. So sugar strainer from Daiso too, made in Japan. Daiso quality. So, and also I had this in glass and wanted that in cups, in plastic. So it's lighter. On the left side, milliliter cups on the right side. Just put on this. So if you squeezing lemon or you're putting orange, or it's gonna keep the pulp on top of here. Pretty cool, right? And also what we got here is that a heart shape. It's pretty cool. Heart shape. It's called cocotte. So it's good for, you know, if you're making creme brulee, or you can making like, you know, baking dish. You can fill this and it's gonna be a heart shape. Pretty cool. Make sure this is written that you can put inside like oven or heat, otherwise it's gonna break. So another one here. So this is a star shape, almost the same, different color, blue and red. This one is cocotte, French style flour. So do not drag over table, do not leave in water, do not use for cooking food in microwave. Can be used for reheating only. Stop using this product if it becomes damaged. Cool. So we're gonna make creme brulee later on. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks inside this cocotte. Another one here. What we got is, so that's kind of nice. They wrap this inside newspaper, so it doesn't break during transportation if it hits something. So this is good for, let's see, this is a white cocotte, so it's good. Make sure you read this. It says you could put in microwave, oven, hot water, and then dip or drip. But you cannot heat on the bottom. You know, apply heat, it's gonna break. It's gonna cracks. Pretty thin, but still it's good for creme brulee. It's a decent size, very cute. And bought another one the same in here. So same one here. We have 2 of these. 4. Really nice. And then we have 1 of these. It's a stainless steel bowl. Pretty good. It's pretty thin, but it's good. You want to make, poke bowls, or you want to make salad and so on. Very light. And the last one is spatula with wooden handle. $4.50. Daiso sweets. So it's great. You wanna make eggs, right? So this helps you flip over the eggs. And it's still here from Daiso. Cool. So that's it, and we got some mochi here. Part of the Japanese cookies. So if you guys like it, please subscribe and like this video for more videos. Thank you guys. Bye. Bye.